Welcome back for another episode of Hawk Speed and Custom. In this episode, an epic race against time. Will we have this classic truck ready for the Good Guys Car Show? Stay tuned.
Alright, so what we're working on today, gents. So this is the big homie Brew. Big homie Owen actually came in to help him for once. Believe it or not.
Yeah, man. So, turn around, see the diff laying on the floor. That exploded on the customer.
Oh, good Lord. Sound like you said challenge accepted, threw his head back, said thug life, and just let it go.
Yeah, that's me material. So he broke the diff, broke the output shaft on the transmission. Don't know what's going on yet, why, how, any of that. Ordered a new one from the used parts junkyard.
This one or this one?
This one.
Okay.
And then it showed up with a broken ear.
Oh man.
So I called and tried to be as polite as I could and called them everything but, you know, normal people. And then they sent me this one today.
Okay.
So I can pull this side cover off and put it on the side of that.
Well, at least they made it right.
Well, they're trying.
Somewhat.
So that's what's going on right now.
Alright.
Is changing that side plate, the mount to the differential.
See.
So that's that mess, and then the C10. I don't know where we're at. I don't know.
Wiring.
I don't know what. Yes, wiring. Wiring.
So for all you folks out there that are scared to do wiring, it's really not that hard. Well, maybe it's a little difficult, but you know, it's doable.
It's doable. So the majority of the wiring is taken care of in its place. Travis came to help me today. I was trying to wire out of the firewall down the side of the truck, and it's sitting back here. So that's for the tail lights and the brake lights and the backup lights and all that stuff. So this will get wired up today.
Word. I did that. Y'all see that? That's all me right there. Right.
So the wiring harness for the LS goes from the engine into the center of the firewall, and then the fuse block and relays are up inside the glove box for easy access, and then the computer is tucked up over in the other corner.
Yeah. Oh man. Okay, I see. Yeah, that's that cruise control over there.
Yeah, man.
Way back up in there.
So I'll have cruise control and overdrive and all the cool amenities that we like in our new trucks and make 500 horsepower. So steering column's in, the knuckles are in, bolted down. What else did we get done today? The motor mount had to get reinforced on the driver's side for where the steering column goes through. That's bolted down, ready to go. Just continuing on, and hopefully can get the front end put on today, the inner fenders, and the core support, so I get the radiator put in it, so I get the fans wired up, and then when I start the wiring on the actual peripheral units, it's going to start at the front and go to the back. So the taillights will be last, fuel pump will be last, and then get a drive shaft Monday, Tuesday, and do brake lines and just continue and try and get it done. So My next hurdle is alternator bracket and not power steering, AC bracket. So I'm gonna call 30 Dingo, which is in Phoenix, see what those guys have got. See if they can come up with something for us. So that's where we are on the C10. And then we're gonna get the Corvette put together. The output shaft on the transmission is on the way. It'll be here Tuesday.
Yeah.
And we'll get this thing put together today.
This thing. Oh yeah.
It's all stock.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's just missing a little bit. Yeah.
Just missing a little bit. Missing the plug. Send me a whole bit.
Fighting with this thing.
No. That'll work. Put down. Are you leaving? Huh?
By the looks of it, you've done this before.
Nah.
Not much to those. His rear desk.
Look at that trash bag.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Brew here drives. I call it the Brew Dozer. Man, that's clean as tin. Brew drives this King Ranch 350. It's lifted. Took him for a little spin in it. Some spirited driving.